Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieve my wash and go, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video and hit that notification button so that you're notified whenever I make a new video. So I always start by sectioning off my hair in 4 sections, and this is done on freshly washed and detangled hair. I'm going ahead to add my leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair, and I'm using the Mane Choice as usual to go ahead and moisturize. So I add about a dime size of conditioner to each section, and I just go ahead and work it through, and I'll also section off that section and just ensure that I'm getting product all throughout the length of my hair. I'm doing the same thing to the other section. After I've actually gone ahead and moisturized each section, I seal with, for today I'm sealing with olive oil. It's either olive oil or cocoa butter. So I'm working the oil through. And I'm doing the same thing throughout all the sections. I decided to use a new gel that everyone has been raving about, which is the Wetline Extreme Professional Gel. So this is what I'm going to actually use to go ahead and start applying. Again, my hair isn't dripping wet, it is damp. I prefer to do my wash and go on damp hair. I think it stretches it a little better. So that's why I prefer to do it this way. So you can say I use the raking method. I'm just going through each section really and just applying the gel. And the way I apply the gel and the way I do it is so that my natural curl pattern will come through. So I'm not really manipulating my hair per se to form curls. I'm just putting the gel on so that it can set the curls that I already have. And I don't use a lot of gel because I do kind of like a little frizziness, if that makes sense. I don't want it to be super defined. I want to have some amount of body still. I then kind of scrunch my hair up to just help with forming the curls at the bottom. So each section, as you can see, I'm just putting it into smaller sections so that it's easier to apply. You can add some more water if you want to. So if you have like a spray bottle and you want to spritz your hair in between, you can go ahead and do that. I don't know if you can tell, but my hair, I do have highly porous hair, so my hair does get dry pretty quickly. So I tend to just work as fast as possible so that I still have some amount of dampness left in my hair while applying the gel. And I'm being pretty gentle when applying the gel, not pulling my hair too hard, really just working in small sections and applying. And as you can see, this is really simple, not a lot of products. If I was using Eco Styler or Eco Styling Gel, I'd do the same thing. It would be the same method as I'd go ahead with. So most of my hair is pretty much complete. So it's just the final section that I have working with right now, which is the front section. All in all, if I should estimate the time it took me to apply the gel all throughout my hair, it would be anywhere between, I'd say, about 15 to 20 minutes. Approximately 15 minutes. That's how long it took me to just go ahead and put everything through. You know what? 20 minutes. Again, raking through the product and smoothing down and then scrunching up. Yeah, that section was giving me a little bit of problems. I probably should have spritzed it a little, but I really wasn't in the mood to get up. I've said this before, I do have some heat damage from a silk press that I got done at a salon about 2 years ago. So some of the ends, especially at the front of my hair, is straight. So I've been gradually snipping off as my hair grows out. So you'll probably see some looser curls at the front. And I do just take a little more gel depending if I need to add some more, and I'll just go ahead and add it to the section. Confession, I'm not really a wash and go fan, to be honest. I do prefer to wear my hair in either twist outs or anything like that, but not necessarily wash and goes, because I find it's a little difficult to detangle after. So I really don't prefer wash and goes, but I'll do it from time to time. So yeah, this is my entire head. So I'll just go through and just keep doing that scrunching thing. I'll just kind of sleep back my edges a little with the gel. I will say the gel was pretty easy to deal with. It had some amount of slip. I don't know if that makes sense, but my hair, when I tried to unravel little sections and I had the gel in, it didn't feel too hard or brittle. So so I find it a little easier to work with than the Eco. And this is the final result, guys. Yes, I'm really loving it. So this is actually the next day because I did it in the night-ish. So it dried overnight. I'm really loving the definition. It doesn't look too hard. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I hope you loved it and I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time. Bye.